Hello, how are you? Do you feel that the summer is slowly going away? Still, we have some hot days, but you can see the sky is becoming higher because clouds are higher. That's why it looks like that the sky is higher. And also, it gets darker sooner, or I would say earlier than uh, okay, June, July, or August, of course. And 3 more months and 4 more months. This year is over. How quick. Anyway, we talked about the Commonwealth nations. Well, how many are they? Yes, 53 nations. And some of them were original, and some of them are new. I mean, newly joined into the Commonwealth nations. But some of them once used to be the members, then they left, then again they returned. Sometimes it happens when their presidents or prime ministers change. So interesting. But at the moment, the newest one, I think year 2025, I believe there are 54 nations. Because this is a very short program, we cannot go all the 53 nations, but perhaps a few of them first for today, and some other time we'll continue. There's no promise, okay? Well, let's use the alphabetical order now. Do you remember what the alphabetical order is? Well, it means use alphabetical order. It means, okay, what's the first letter in the alphabet in English? Of course, it's A. So we are going to pick up the country name starting from A. Then next would be B and the C, D, E, F, G, etc. Like that. So letter Z would be the last, right? So we're not gonna go and well, reach Z. No, probably A or B or C, something like that. Okay, the first one, of course, uh, Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. The capital city name is Saint John's. Do you know where? Well, Antigua and Barbuda, two different island nations, make one nation. I think Japanese people rather would say Antigua Barbuda, but like Czech Republic today is called, or Slovakia, Czechoslovakia, like that. But officially it is Antigua and Barbuda. It is in the West Indies area. Do you know West Indies? It's not in India. No, that is the area um, the east of the Central America from the Atlantic Ocean to the okay Caribbean Sea uh, and Mexican Gulf or the Gulf of Mexico. That area that's called West Indies. There are quite few nations there. Some other time, let's try studying it together in the future. Now, number two. See, we're starting from A. Antigua, A and next is Australia, AU. So it comes next. Uh, this country's official name is the Commonwealth of Australia. Do you know the capital? Of course, many people say like a Sydney or Melbourne or no. It is called Canberra, which is in New South Wales. And it is in Asia? No, it is called Oceania. Oceania, surrounded by Pacific Ocean. Okay, and which is the largest island at the same time, the smallest continent on Earth. Okay, third one is the Bahamas. Nassau is the capital. Nassau. The Bahamas uh, official name is Commonwealth of the Bahamas. It's plural, so it's the Bahamas. There are many beautiful islands surrounded by beautiful seas. It is also in West Indies. Now, fourth one is Bangladesh. And, okay, the official name is kind of interesting. It is called the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The People's Republic of Bangladesh. Do you know where that is? Of course, it's in Asia. All right, next country would be, let me find that out. The alphabetical order, we just finished Bangladesh. I'm sorry, the capital name is Dhaka. Dhaka, right. Fifth one is Barbados. Barbados. Used to be called former British Honduras. But today, no, that is Belize. I mixed up. The fifth one, let me try it again. That is the Barbados. And the capital city is Bridgetown. No, Bridgetown. I'm sorry, Bridgetown. It is also in West Indies, sort of like in the Caribbean Sea. All right. Next, sixth is Belize. Well, Belmopan is the city name of the capital. Belmopan. Belmopan or Belmopan. Some people say differently. It used to be called British Honduras, but today Belize. It's in the central part of American continent, Central America, facing the beautiful, I think, ocean. And this country is the last British colony. So that means it gained its independence as the last nation in the American continent. Number 7, that is called Botswana. Botswana. Do you know where that country is? And, okay, the capital cities, my goodness, Gaborone. Gaborone. The real name. The official name is the Republic of Botswana. Well, it is in the western part of Africa, Western Africa. But it used to be also called, I mean, formerly, uh, British Bechuanaland. British Bechuanaland. That was their former name, but today is Botswana. That's in Africa, Western Africa. Now, eighth, it is called, uh, some people say Bru, Brunei, but in English we say Brunei, or some people say Brunei. But usually many people I can hear Brunei. And the capital city is kind of long. Bandar Seri Begawan. My goodness. Once more. Bandar Seri Begawan or Begawan. Okay, that's the capital city. Well, the official name is the state of Brunei, uh, Darussalam. The state of Brunei Darussalam. Quite difficult, isn't it? Well, do you know where that is? Well, which is in Asia. How can I say? Sort of like a northern Borneo. Do you know Borneo Island? Like near, Borneo is the part of Indonesia. So that area, that is Brunei. Now, next one is uh, Cameroon. Cameroon. The official name is the Republic of Cameroon. And the capital city is kind of difficult to say. Yaoundé. Yaoundé. That is the capital name. Sounds like kind of like a French speaking. But of course, they also use English as well because the Commonwealth common language is English. But many countries also speak other languages as well in the among Commonwealth nations. Where is it? Well, that's Central Africa, facing sort of Guinean Gulf or the Gulf of Guinea. It's in Central Africa. Now, probably this is going to be the last for today. Next is Canada, of course, one of the largest countries in the world. And the official name is simply just Canada. No Commonwealth of, or no state of, or no that Commonwealth. Just Canada. Nice and simple. And do you know the capital city of Canada? No, not there. Close. That's called Ottawa. Ottawa. Of course, that is in the American continent. Northern part of the American continent. Okay, that's about it for today. We'll continue some other time. Take care of yourself and bye for now. Aloha. Oi.